Maths online class. Today's our topic is median of grouped data. So in last class or previous classes we discussed how to find median with ungrouped data. Today's our topic is we will find median with grouped data, which is classified data. So I have a question here. What is question is in a cricket coaching center, speeds of few bowlers are like this. So in between 85 to 100, 11, 100 is in kilometer speed, 100 and 159, so 115, 130 is 8, 130 to 145 is 5. So 33 bowlers data has been given here. So he is asking to find median of the given data. So how to find, we will see. First we should learn formula before we solve this question. I will write formula here. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is our formula for median. Now what are these L, n by 2, CF, H and F? We'll see first. Now in question itself he said that these are the observations of 33 bowlers. So our n is 33. Now when you are solving median, we have to find cumulative frequency distribution table. So write cumulative frequency here, CF for cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency is first observation write as it is. First the next 11 plus 9, add all. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus next observation, 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. So this is how we find cumulative frequency. Now we got our n as 33. He is asking to find n by 2. So I will write here n by 2 value. N by 2 is 32, 33 by 2, that is 16.5. Okay. 16.5 is our n by 2. I will write here n by 2, that is 16.5. Now I have to write L. So before writing L, so where this class comes we have to find. First median class we have to find. Now my n by 2 is 16.5. Where it comes, we'll see. 11 is not nearest to 16.5. 11 is lesser than 60.5. So next observation we'll see. 20, yes, 20 is greater than 16.5. So our median class is 100 to 150. This is our median class. So let us take our median class is not 16.5. If it is 26 or 27, then it will come here because it is above 20. You got my point, I think. So n by 2 is 16.5. 16.5 doesn't come in 11. 16.5 will come in 20. So because it is lesser than 20, so this is our median class. This is our median class. Now what is our median class? Lower class frequency L is 100. Now lower class frequency of median class is 100. So L value is 100 because we got 16.5 here in second class, that is 100 to 115. Now L completed. Next we have to write cumulative frequency CF. So what is CF? Will write. CF is nothing but its previous cumulative frequency, that is 11. This is our median class. Median class preceding cumulative frequency is 11. So our CF is 11. Next we have to find F. What is our F is respective frequency, median class frequency. This is F. So that is 9. Now H. What is H? Is class interval. That is 85, 100, 100 to 150. What is the difference of class intervals? Is 15. Is it 15? Yes. 85, 100 minus 85 is 15. So everywhere it is equal. So it is H is 15. Just substitute all these values here. Median is equals to L value we got 100 plus n by 2 we already got, that is 16.5, minus cumulative frequency I got 11 divided by frequency is 9 into height is 15. So anything gets cancelled, you can cancel here. 3 3s, 3 5s, 100 plus 16.5 minus 11 is 5.5 into 5 divided by 3. This is 100 plus 5.5 into 5 is 27.5 divided by 3. So you can write nearest value 100 plus, or you can write 327.5 as a mixed fraction. If you find this value, with 327.5 by 3, or else you can divide this and add. How many times here? 9, 1, 6. So nearest value we can write as 109.16. This is our median. So median bowling speed is 109.16 kilometer per hour. This is how we will find median. Very important question. In this, one more question is there, that is he will skip few frequencies and he will give variables like x and y. We have to find those variable values. Median will be already given in the question. So that type of question we will discuss now. So hope you have got it. So let us move to the next question in median. Now this is another model in this median. It's an application. So given question is some data has been given to us and median of this data is 14.4. We have to find the unknown values here x and y. So by using median formula. Now so our first step to do is find cumulative frequency. Find cumulative frequency. Already is said sum of frequencies is 20. So n value already given, that is 20. N is given as 20. Now cumulative frequency first is 4. Next 4 plus x. 4 plus 5. 9 plus x. Next one 9 plus x plus y plus 10 plus x plus y. So this is last frequency which is equals to 20 because this is sum of all frequencies. So we got our n value is 10 plus x plus y, but what is given is 20. Okay, so 10 plus x plus y value is equals to 20. Then x plus y how much is 20 minus 10. So x plus y is 10. Mark it as equation 1. Now write formula here. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. So now we have to find these all components. So L we will find first. What is L value? How to find L value? To find n value we need n by 2 first. So we will try to find n by 2 first. N by 2. So what is n by 2 value? Is 20 by 2, that is 10. So what is the closest value to the 10 is 9 plus x. So this is our median class. This is our median class, and median also is given 14.4. Where 14.4 will come is in between 12 and 18. So already median given. So median comes in between 12 and 18. So directly we can write lower class interval as 12. L value is 12. Okay. Next, CF. CF is preceding cumulative frequency, that is 4 plus x. F is respective class frequency, that is median class frequency, is 5. H how much? What is class interval is 6. Okay, now just substitute all these values. Median already given, so 14.4 is equals to L value is 6. Sorry, L value is 12 plus n by 2 we got 10 minus cumulative frequency what we have got here is 4 plus x. So 4, because minus is there, it's a binomial, minus 4 minus x divided by f. What is the value of f? So it is 5 into h. What is the value of h is 6. As send this 12 to this side. 14.4 minus 12 is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus x by 5 into 6. Send transpose this 5 to this side. So 14.4 minus 12 is 2.4 into 5. Okay, so 6 into 6 minus x. With 6 we can divide this. So send this 6 to this side. 6 minus x is equals to 2.4 into 5 is 12 by 6, that is 2. Bring x this side and send to this side. So what we will get is x value is 6 minus 2, that is 4. X value we got as 4. Let's substitute this x value in equation 1. So what you will get, 4 plus y is equals to 10. It means y value is 6. So x is 4, y value is 6. This is how we use application of median. Like if this type of unknown variables question comes, you have to solve like this. Okay, this is another model in median, very important model. This type of questions, 1 or 2 given in NCERT textbook also. One example is given and another in exercise question is given. Try to solve these questions. Very important model for the board examinations. Do well children, all the best. We'll meet you in next class.